System juga nak. Ini kau tu ah. Sebab semua jadi ये kita lah. Udah live में चला ना उधर ये kita rasa. Ini bukan apa? Nora tu kupit bukan mere.
Well, tonight they would miss the semi-final against Portugal in Munich next Wednesday. Well, Ronaldo looks a happy chap, and well he might. He's the new record holder for goals scored in World Cup finals, having overtaken the legendary German Gerd Müller in the last match against Ghana. 15 goals he has.
Thôi.
Làm con này. He's suddenly finding the magic, but Ari was in an offside position. Start this game well. Oh, for that nearly could end up as a repeat of that final. Ronaldo has certainly rediscovered his zest to pick up the header. Nice little touches around the edge of the Ronaldinho. The World Footballer of the Year. First free kick of the match goes Brazil's way, and he's won by the World Footballer of the Year. Kept going in the Pernambucano. Bartes will know all about him. He stays in France. It's almost Lyon versus Marseille, this. But I do reassure you, it's Brazil versus France. And it is Juninho, and it was about to get through, and it flicked off attention on the corner.
Din pecat. Kalau kita dah tahu kita leh, apa dal ko आ रही है. बाकी तो ताल चला लगा है.
He then fouls the opponent, and Brazil will have a second free kick. A little further out than the last one. Zidane, remember, has to be careful tonight, otherwise poor clearance, and Henry is forward. Zidane. Here. Silva playing the Emerson role. He's up here for Ronaldinho. He's going to be given off. He started level there with William Gallas. Well, he didn't. Zidane will hit the longer ball. It's a raking pass. Carlos, who's still got the old explosive pace. Making a corner. Yes, he does. Brazil League 2.
लेकिन किसी फोन लेता हूँ ना
50-50.
अच्छा ठीक
It's gone out. Football supporters are very imaginative. It's a Ronaldinho free kick, which has got a cross, and there's a chance. And it was a Ronaldo chance. Forward, which he steered over and not beneath the bar. Just a bit too much elevation as he craned the neck. Ronaldo looking to add to his 3 goals at these finals. Left-hand side into Thierry Henry. He'll have a crack from here, and the ball cuts away off Lucio's head and knocks him out just about. Well, the power of the shot stunned the Brazilian defender. So some defending for the world champions to do. With some space for Makelele, and the cross too. If this one is played across by Henry, it will require a desperate clearance by Roberto Carlos. So emerges with the ball at his boot. They do well, but he's coming back. Very high as well. Everybody. Pull it back in. He's on the ball now. He's desperate for one. And here he goes, and again he tries to thread it inside the defender. A lot of work to be done here, however. Again, too much pace on the pass. Just. Knowing there are about 3 Frenchmen across the centre, still playing some lovely football there. Into Ronaldo from Ronaldinho. Bartes was smart. He's into Henry. He was offside. On the far side of the field, Medina Hernandez making that decision. And again, we credit him with a correct call. One for Henry. Yeah, he's won the corner out of this. He was 1 on 2.
Kami
He's
dah
done
tahu
well
apa
enough to
play
get
ni.
a corner.
Acha inti ni memang kena ha. Gili
Within
pura.
their second, so they've equalled the Brazilian to the goalkeeper. No foul given.
Acha ठीक है.
And I'm not surprised by the decision. I never thought there was, but Brazil do have a break here, and it's opening up through the middle for them. Well, the long leggy Abidal almost took the ball away from Cafu. I think, well, that's going to be a yellow card shown to the Brazilian captain, Cafu. Ronaldinho's coming back now, and he wasn't going to do originally. Can Zidane achieve the breakthrough here? No, it's too high. Well, it happens. Some you get right. Zidane is coming back. The French press have been saying it's one last hurrah from the captain, and that was Zidane again. Abby's now. There's the flick. Now they have got him into it. Ronaldo's shot barged away. Is this one, unless somebody can open it up here. Malouda's ball. Henry gives way to Zidane, and it's just over. Not a bad effort though. Malouda's header. Yeah, he's tricked his man here. It's a cross ball, which will be played out of harm's way by Juan. Well, Malouda's figuring prominently. Pass 1, pass 2, slips it brilliantly. A race through the middle here. Can they close him down, or will there be a card? And it's certainly a booking of what colour? It's Juan to be taken away. Big decision this for the referee. Yellow, I think that's right. It's yellow for Juan. The French will think he denied a goal scoring opportunity. But Juan is out at the semi. Thuram is ushered away. It will be Henry. And he's given the penalty, has he? Or is it a free kick on the edge? It's a free kick on the edge for a handball. Whoa, another massive call from the referee. And another card, I think, coming out. Whose hand went up? Ronaldo's arm. Well, they're getting closer by the second. Henry shouted for the penalty. He's playing it straight at the wall. It's almost impossible to get it above them. The clearance is not a good one, and it's cleared now. That's a better one. The referee, I think, is going to say, let's cool it. Let's all go to the dressing room. And then a 4-1 win against Japan and a 3-0 triumph against Ghana probably didn't really extend the Brazilians as much as they would have liked. They're not having it easy tonight against Zidane and co. No substitutions at all. Well, the referee from Spain, most significantly, has booked 3 Brazilians, captain Cafu, defender Juan, and striker Ronaldo, and that could be crucial later in the day if, of course, we come to the stage where we're considering penalty shootouts. Thuram, what a servant he's been to the French game. Foul here. Once again, it's Juan who is seen as the offender, one of those on a caution. Remens have had all the free kicks in the last couple of minutes, and here they have a chance of a goal. It's gone wide. Thierry Henry had in hands. He had 2 goals in these World Cup finals. This might well have been goal number 3 for him. But it's steered wide. In fact, I think it was Vieira getting up in front of Henry, possibly. Yes, it was.
তবে কমা কি একটা নিয়েছি লিখেছি
না লিখিনি দেখব
Down here is Thierry Henry, only one to aim at in the centre, make a movement into the area here, he'll find himself 1-on-1, the back here was brilliant, but it just failed to get Vieira in. Well dispossessed. Nobody's making any progress in this game. Maybe Abidal will here, for France, Les Bleus. Around, so will be Gallas, danger now, here's a big picture! Have the lead! Thierry Henry has stooped for the glory, and it's Brazil 0, France 1. They call him terrific Thierry in France and in London, and Thierry Henry has brought the contest to light. He's brought Raymond Dominic to his feet. He's got every French arm and the whole of the country and the whole of the stadium in Frankfurt waving in salute. No question alongside. He's stolen away, but where were the markers? They were all preoccupied with others, and Henry took full advantage to prod it home. It's little more. Another is getting better and better in this World Cup. Oh, it's up! How close can it come without actually crossing the white line? I'm sure he wasn't intending to score here, Frank Ribéry, and neither was the Brazilian defender who really got a touch on it. Well, he did get a big touch.
हेलो ना प्लीज देखो ना पार्टी দিয়ে যাচ্ছি यार
আচ্ছা পার্টি পার্টি থেকে মনে পড়লো আপনার যদি থার্ড পার্টি ইন্স্যুরেন্স চাই তো সেটাও
আমরা চেক করা গেলেন স্যার
ইন্স্যুরেন্স চার্জ যে ঝামেলা ছাড়াই
তো যেন আধার মেজাজটা আধার না
Ribéry still. Roberto Carlos across. Ribéry, it was a good tackle. Ooh, down the left wing. Then Ronaldinho. Cafu a second time. Goal kick. Ball came off the captain of Brazil. There's the step over from Ronaldinho. Take us Lucio. Henry's ball in. Ribéry. That might be trouble for Samuel. It's a yellow card, certainly, as he fended away the man there, and no doubt about it. Lucio's gone tearing into him. This is going to be another yellow card, I imagine. To get another, it drops to Ronaldinho. Big chance here, Spurn. Robinho's in the thick of things up. Zidane taken down. Well done, referee. He's in there very sharp. It's a chance for Ronaldo. He's dragged it wide. Those golden boots didn't have a golden touch. And once again, there's a Frenchman getting across his line of vision. And that's what opponents see from Ronaldinho. Away by Bartes, he was fouled. Free kick France. He's got to find a way through. He's finding a way through brilliantly. He's got the free kick, has he? They're all saying no. It's a yellow card for Lilian Thuram. He reckons Ronaldo threw himself. The referee's got a smile on his face. Bartes is 2 feet from his line. It's Ronaldinho. It's too high. And maybe Brazil's dreams have just gone down the sink. It wasn't a bad one, but it curled a foot too high. Bartes hasn't moved much. Barely a limb. Roberto Carlos and Ronaldo were beaten 8 years ago in the World Cup final by France, and they've had to taste defeat again. France have done it. Ronaldo's World Cup. É a 7ª vez que o Brasil vem a campo para decidir uma Copa do Mundo. É a 7ª vez que a Alemanha vem a campo para decidir uma Copa do Mundo. De 1950 para cá, apenas em 1978, uma Copa do Mundo não teve ou o Brasil ou a Alemanha presentes em campo para decidir o título. As duas maiores seleções de todos os tempos, chegando para essa decisão histórica.